everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the fastest sauteed spring mix you can possibly imagine. I'm cooking 1 5-ounce tub of spring mix, and I know it says it's triple washed and all that, but in this case I do give it a good wash and I spun it dry in the salad spinner. Now there is a little bit of water left on the leaves. Good. This is exactly what I want, just a little bit of the moisture left. And then I dried out the bin here from the salad spinner, and I'm going to do something that you won't expect here. I'm going to dump this in the bowl, dump all the leaves in the bowl, and then we're going to season it while it's dry. Why am I doing this? This stuff cooks down so fast and it'll get so limp that it's much easier to go ahead and season it now. And you can season this any way you want. I'm just putting some salt and pepper on here, not a whole lot of anything, and some garlic powder. Now, this is all to taste. If you don't want to use garlic powder, you can saute some fresh garlic first. Now, I'm doing something you really don't expect. I'm just taking my hands and I want to mix it up now. It is far easier to mix this up first than it is after it's cooked because it gets limp really fast. And again, this is going to be the fastest saute job you have ever seen. Okay, once it is mixed up, then we just go to the stove and you'll see how fast this really cooks. My skillet is heating up on number 6, just over medium heat. And I am going to add roughly a ½ tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Really not a whole lot this round. And I do have another way of cooking this without the oil if you want to cook it without the oil. Of course, you could do it this way and just add a tablespoon or so or 2 of vegetable broth, something like that. Okay, this oil is warm. I'm not even going to turn the camera off. You're going to see how fast this is going to go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add it right on in. You can hear it sizzling already. And again, if you wanted to use fresh garlic, you would already get that started in advance. Start that and then add your prepared spring mix. Now all you want to do is cook it until it starts to wilt down a little bit. You don't want to cook it to death. There won't be anything left if you do. This is going to make 1 hearty serving or 2 more moderate servings. Smells really good with the garlic powder on there. It would smell really good with fresh garlic being sauteed. But I'm looking for a fast and easy way to do this. You can see it's already wilting. Not quite there yet, but it's getting there really fast. Could even turn it up just a notch. I could have made it just a little bit warmer than what it is. You could actually call it done now if you want. I'm going to allow it to wilt just a little bit longer. But you see how fast it came down? I mean, there's no time here. And you can see how wilty it is, and so it actually is, to me, easier to season it before you cook it. That's about it. I don't even think it's been a minute. It might have been a minute. Turning the stove off. Now you want to brighten those flavors a little bit. You can add the juice from a wedge or 2 of lemon. I have some white wine vinegar and a measuring spoon here that's a tablespoon, and I'm adding less than a tablespoon because I'm trying to get about what would be from a wedge or 2 of lemon. That's it. It is done and ready to serve. I'm going to plate it up so you see what this looks like plated. That's it. It's that fast and that simple. The recipe is below in the description box. Give this a try sometime and let me know how it works for you. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.